Science gives us the tools to decode the mysteries of the natural world, yet some phenomena remain stubbornly unexplained, defying even our best theories. From mind-bending cosmic anomalies to bizarre events right here on Earth, these mysteries challenge everything we think we know. They push the limits of human understanding, sparking endless curiosity and debate. So, let's dive into 15 of the most perplexing paranormal events that continue to defy logic and science. And trust us, by the end, you'll be questioning everything you thought you knew about reality. Number 15. The Hessdalen Lights. For nearly a century, the remote Hessdalen Valley in Norway has been a stage for one of the most baffling light shows in the world. Strange, glowing orbs, sometimes red, white, or even green, appear out of nowhere, hovering in place or zipping across the sky at impossible speeds. Unlike the fleeting glimmer of a meteor or a passing satellite, these lights have been observed for minutes, sometimes even hours, before vanishing into the night. Theories abound, but none have nailed down the cause. Some scientists suggest they might be a result of natural gas igniting in the atmosphere, while others think piezoelectric effects, electric charges generated by pressure on quartz crystals in the valley's rocks, could be the culprit. Then there's the more outlandish idea that these lights are electromagnetic anomalies caused by underground geological activity. But the truth is still a mystery. Despite ongoing studies, no explanation fully accounts for the erratic movements and unpredictable appearances of the Hessdalen lights. Some believe it's a naturally occurring but poorly understood phenomenon. Others, well, aliens did this. Number 14. The hum. You're in bed trying to fall asleep, and there it is, that low, droning noise. A deep hum, neither loud nor obvious, yet impossible to ignore. You check your appliances, your phone, even the street outside. Nothing. And the weirdest part? Nobody else can hear it. This phenomenon, simply called the hum, has been reported worldwide, from the UK and the US to Australia and New Zealand. Descriptions vary, but most say it's a persistent, low-frequency sound, like a distant engine idling or a deep vibration buried beneath the noise of everyday life. Only a small percentage of people can hear it, making it one of the strangest, unexplained auditory experiences ever recorded. Scientists have tried to track the source, proposing theories ranging from industrial machinery and power grids to natural geological processes like seismic waves or underground water movement. Some even suggest it could be a form of low-frequency tinnitus. Yet, no singular explanation fits all cases. What makes the hum especially eerie is its impact. Some people report insomnia, headaches, and even distress from the relentless noise. With no clear answer in sight, it remains one of the world's most frustrating and weird auditory mysteries. Number 13. Ball lightning. Regular lightning is scary enough, but imagine a glowing sphere of electricity floating through your living room. That's ball lightning, one of nature's strangest spectacles. Witnesses describe it as a luminous, hovering orb, sometimes the size of a fruit, other times as big as a basketball. It can last for several seconds, drift through walls, and even explode with a loud bang before disappearing. Unlike conventional lightning, which follows a predictable flash and strike pattern, ball lightning seems almost conscious. It moves erratically, sometimes floating calmly before darting off or vanishing in an instant. The phenomenon has been observed for centuries, yet no scientific consensus exists on its cause. Some researchers believe ball lightning could be a type of plasma, where ionized gas is stabilized in the atmosphere. Others suggest that silicon-rich soil might vaporize during a lightning strike, reacting with electromagnetic waves to create the glowing effect. Another possibility? It's simply a visual hallucination caused by intense lightning flashes. Though that wouldn't explain the cases where ball lightning has reportedly entered homes and burned objects. Despite modern advancements in physics and electromagnetism, no one knows much about it. Number 12. Animal rain. It sounds like something out of a biblical story. Fish, frogs, and even spiders falling from the sky. Yet this isn't a myth. Documented for centuries, animal rain is one of nature's most bizarre and unsettling weather phenomena. Reports have surfaced worldwide, from Mexico and Spain to Japan and Australia, describing instances where small creatures, sometimes alive, sometimes frozen, have rained down in unexpected places. The most widely accepted theory suggests that waterspouts, tornado-like columns of air over bodies of water, suck up fish and amphibians, carrying them for miles before dropping them inland. But this doesn't explain why some cases have involved birds, snakes, or even worms. Tornadoes may be powerful, but their selective picking of certain creatures remains a mystery. In 1877, a case in Kentucky described a rain of raw meat, while in 2015, a spider rain terrified residents of Australia. Now, the most unsettling reality? Well, science hasn't fully explained why, how, or when these eerie downpours occur. Number 11. Earthquake lights. Most people associate earthquakes with destruction, shaking buildings, collapsing roads, and general chaos. But what if moments before disaster strikes, the sky flickers with an eerie glow? Enter earthquake lights. Strange, luminous bursts that appear just before or during seismic events. These mysterious lights have been documented for centuries, taking on different forms: blue or white flashes, floating orbs, or even streaks of colorful fire dancing along fault lines. Some accounts date back to the 1600s, while modern cases have been captured on video, such as those seen during the 2007 Peru earthquake and the 2008 Sichuan earthquake in China. So, what causes them? One theory involves the piezoelectric effect, where immense pressure on quartz-rich rocks generates electrical charges that discharge into the atmosphere. Another idea suggests that shifting tectonic plates create disturbances in the Earth's magnetic field, producing visible energy bursts. Yet, despite these plausible explanations, no one has definitively linked the phenomenon to a single cause. The unpredictability of earthquakes makes it nearly impossible to study these lights in real time, keeping them firmly in the realm of a scientific mystery. Number 10. The Dancing Plague of 1518. In July 1518, Strasbourg became the strangest dance floor in history. It started with a single woman, Frau Trophäa, dancing uncontrollably in the streets. No music, no reason, just relentless movement. Within days, dozens joined her. Within a month, 400 people were trapped in a bizarre, trance-like dance marathon. They collapsed from exhaustion, dehydration, and even death, but they couldn't stop. Their feet bled, their bodies broke down, and authorities had no clue what was happening. Doctors blamed hot blood, priests feared demonic possession, and some suspected ergot poisoning, a hallucinogenic mold found in rye bread. The solution? They hired musicians and built a stage, hoping the dancers could wear themselves out. That didn't work. Just as mysteriously as it began, the dancing plague faded, leaving behind one of history's most chilling cases of mass hysteria. To this day, no one knows what really caused it or why it spread. Number 9. The Devil's Kettle. Deep in Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, a river splits into two. One half flows downstream as expected. The other? It vanishes into a massive hole, never to be seen again. This bizarre geological anomaly called the Devil's Kettle has defied explanation for decades. Scientists have thrown in everything from logs to dye and even GPS trackers, but nothing reappears downstream. Where does it go? Theories suggest an underground cave system, a hidden subterranean river, or cracks in the bedrock swallowing the water. In recent years, researchers have suggested that it might eventually rejoin the river through unseen channels. But without direct proof, The Devil's Kettle remains one of Earth's most fascinating hydrological mysteries, a place where water simply disappears, without a trace. Until someone finds undeniable evidence, this eerie sinkhole will continue to defy science, as well as logic itself. Number 8. The Tunguska explosion. On June 30th, 1908, an explosion flattened 800 square miles of Siberian forest, yet left no impact crater. Witnesses reported a fireball streaking across the sky, followed by a blinding flash and a shockwave so powerful it knocked people off their feet hundreds of miles away. If it had hit a populated city, it would have wiped it off the map. Scientists believe an asteroid or comet exploded mid-air, unleashing energy equivalent to 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. But no debris, no fragments, and no clear impact site have ever been found. Theories range from antimatter collisions to secret weapon tests, and even alien spacecraft disasters. Despite extensive studies, the Tunguska event remains the largest unexplained explosion in recorded history. Number 7. The sky quakes. For centuries, people worldwide have reported deafening, unexplained booms shaking the ground, yet no source can be found. Known as sky quakes, these mysterious sounds have been heard in California, Australia, Japan, and even over the ocean. They resemble sonic booms, but no aircraft are present. Windows rattle, buildings shake, and then silence. Scientists have proposed everything from underground gas explosions to meteorites detonating mid-air. Some suggest shifting tectonic plates or atmospheric disturbances. Others believe they're secret military aircraft breaking the sound barrier, technology far beyond what's publicly known. Despite decades of investigation, no single explanation fits all cases. The most unsettling part? These booms often strike without warning, leaving behind nothing but confusion. Are they natural, man-made, or something even more mysterious? Until we have solid proof, skyquakes remain one of Earth's most baffling and unsettling mysteries. Number 6. The Siberian Hell Sounds. In the 1980s, Soviet geologists drilling the Kola super-deep borehole, the deepest man-made hole on Earth, allegedly captured something terrifying. At a depth of over 40,000 feet, their microphones picked up what sounded like screams, agonized human-like wails echoing from beneath the Earth. The story claims the recording horrified the scientists so much they abandoned the project entirely. Some believe they accidentally drilled into hell itself. Others think they uncovered a massive underground cavern where trapped gases created eerie, distorted noises. Skeptics dismiss it as a hoax, pointing out that no official source has confirmed the recording's authenticity. But here's the unsettling part. The original tapes have never been publicly released. If it was just natural sounds, why keep them hidden? Was it just geological noise, or did they truly hear something no one was meant to? The mystery remains buried. Number 5. Spontaneous human combustion. Imagine sitting in a room, perfectly normal, then suddenly flames engulf you from within. No fire, no external ignition, just a person reduced to ash, while their surroundings remain eerily untouched. This terrifying phenomenon, known as spontaneous human combustion, has been reported for centuries, with victims often found burned beyond recognition, yet nearby furniture and objects remain relatively undamaged. Theories abound, but none fully explain it. The wick effect suggests body fat acts like candle wax, fueling a slow internal fire after ignition. Some propose static electricity or even rare chemical reactions inside the body. Others dismiss SHC entirely, arguing hidden external causes like dropped cigarettes or alcohol-fueled burns. Yet forensic experts still struggle to explain why some cases leave no clear ignition source. Could it be a misunderstood biological reaction? Or is there something far more sinister at play? The mystery lingers. Number 4. Deja vu. You walk into a room, hear a conversation, and suddenly, you've been here before. The eerie sensation of deja vu, or already seen, is as unsettling as it is common. It's a fleeting moment where reality feels like a rerun, but logically, you know it's impossible. Science offers a few explanations. One theory suggests a memory glitch, where your brain mistakenly stores a new experience in long-term memory, making it feel strangely familiar. Another idea involves neurological misfires, a brief communication hiccup between regions responsible for processing new experiences and recalling old ones. Some researchers believe it's linked to divided attention, where your brain unconsciously absorbs details before you're fully aware, creating a false sense of recognition when you finally focus. Is deja vu just a brain hiccup, or something deeper? Perhaps a glitch in time itself? The true cause remains unknown, leaving room for both science and speculation. Number 3. Naga fireballs. Every year, thousands gather along the Mekong River to witness an otherworldly spectacle. Glowing reddish orbs rising silently from the water, floating into the sky before disappearing. Known as the Naga fireballs, this mysterious event has been documented for centuries, sparking both scientific curiosity and deep-rooted folklore. Explanations range from the mundane to the mythical. Some scientists suggest swamp gas, methane bubbles from decaying organic matter ignite when exposed to air. Others propose phosphine gas, which can combust spontaneously under certain conditions. However, neither theory fully explains why the fireballs appear so consistently, often on the same nights each year. Local legends claim the fireballs are the breath of a serpent-like river deity, Naga, adding a mystical element to the enigma. Science may eventually crack the case, but for now, the Naga fireballs remain one of Earth's most mesmerizing, unexplained phenomena. Number 2. The bloop. In 1997, a deep-sea microphone picked up something massive. Dubbed the bloop, this ultra-low frequency sound, detected in the remote South Pacific, was unlike anything recorded before. It was loud, louder than the calls of any known sea creature, leading some to speculate about an enormous, undiscovered marine beast lurking in the abyss. Theories emerged. Some suggested an unknown sea creature, perhaps a colossal squid or an ancient leviathan. Others proposed ice quakes, massive icebergs cracking apart, producing powerful underwater sounds. NOAA later leaned toward ice-related origins, but that hasn't stopped wild speculation. The eerie part? The bloop was detected near the coordinates of H.P. Lovecraft's fictional sunken city, R'lyeh, home of the cosmic horror Cthulhu. Was it just a coincidence? Science says yes. But until we truly map Earth's deepest waters, the bloop will remain one of the ocean's greatest unsolved mysteries. Number 1. Dark matter. Look up at the night sky. Everything you see, stars, planets, galaxies, is only a fraction of the universe. Scientists believe that 85% of the cosmos is made up of something invisible, something we can't detect directly. They call it dark matter. Though we can't see it, dark matter's presence is inferred through its gravitational pull on visible objects. Galaxies spin faster than they should, and light bends in ways physics can't fully explain, both signs of an unseen force shaping the universe. But what is it? One theory suggests WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, hypothetical particles that barely interact with regular matter. Others propose axions, tiny, nearly undetectable particles. Some even suggest primordial black holes, leftovers from the Big Bang. Despite decades of research, dark matter remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics. It's out there, shaping the universe. We just don't know what it is yet. If you have found this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.